watch repair mat. You can also use it to wipe watches, spring bars, and other tiny accessories. Lay the work mat flat during use. It can effectively prevent the watch from scratches and bumps. Scratch guard film. It protects watches from scratches during disassembly and assembly, and eliminates static electricity caused by metal friction. Just wrap the anti-scratch film around the watch dial or watch band for use. Two, prong case opener. Rotate the center nut to adjust the distance between the two prongs. Adjust the two prong case opener spacing to match the notches on the watch case back before use. Ensure the prongs securely grip the case back. Then rotate the opener to unscrew and remove the case back. Tweezers. Gently pick up small parts with the tweezers as needed. The tweezer tips are made of silicone, providing effective insulation to prevent battery short circuits. To reinstall, use the two-prong case opener to secure the case back in place. Your watch battery replacement is now complete. Number 3, spring bar tool. Replaceable tips. Twist the nut to release the tip. Install the V-tip or O-tip as needed, then fasten with the nut. Warning, tips are sharp. Take care not to hurt yourself during installation. Small V-tip for thin metal watch bands. Large V-tip for leather watch straps. Round O-tip for removing hold spring bars. Replaceable tips. Metal link remover. Before adjusting the watch band, push out the connecting pin following the arrow mark. Wrong direction will jam the pin inside the hole. Align the band pin hole with the remover tip at the same height when adjusting the strap. If heights don't line up, turn the dial to level it. After aligning heights, aim the remover tip straight at the band pin hole. Turn the screw to push the link pin out. Pull out the link pin and remove extra links. Unscrew the shaft and take off the thin tip. Fit the thick replacement tip onto the screw shaft. Screw the shaft back into the mini metal remover. Next, put the watch band links back together. Pay attention to the two different ends before inserting the connecting pin. Insert the thin end of the link pin against the arrow. Then lay the watch band flat on the remover. twist the screw to push the pin fully into the watch band. Push the link pin fully flat. Done.